Morning team, welcome back to the channel, and this is one of our first jobs we're going to do on Bert, our BMW 2004 318 Ci M Sport. And today, like I say, we're changing oil, already jacked it up. And we'll show you underneath.
Yeah, it's a new arm this side.
Yeah.
That's really good to see, actually.
I've got the 2 axle stands there as well. I'm going to go and do the 17 inch something. Is it 17? Do you know, I'll be a 16. You get me 16 instead?
Yeah, hold on.
16 mil. That's loose. Right. I'm not sure where this is going to go. This could be messy as. Right. Where's the nuts on? Should come straight down. You ready?
Yeah.
Could be getting very messy. Oh. It's movable tight with a spanner.
But not finger tight, finger loose.
And we're going to do that thing of getting
Oil, or you're just going to do it so it's just trickling, like we see on so
it's
many.
going to go everywhere.
So many videos.
Right, ready?
Yeah.
It's coming.
Look at that.
First oil train's down the car.
Yeah.
And it's got a copper rusher on as well. See? And the oil looks quite clean. And thank you to Emma for getting my Ed China glasses.
Glasses?
Gloves. You see it draining out there nicely?
There was a long stream of it and I can't see anything.
It's a very slight stream now. Not very... Well, that went fairly okay, didn't spill any. Could have been a mechanic.
Yeah.
We'll do this in a minute, but I think with this Bosch oil filter, it's quite diddy actually, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
But look, they also supply a new copper gasket.
Yeah.
You should always replace them. Right. We take the old one off because these they crush these gaskets, you see.
All right.
So we get a good fit. So that's the old one in the bin. New gasket on. I'll leave that there and get Emma to pass me that in a minute. I'll let it drain properly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How long does it normally take?
I don't know. First time I've done it. One of these. Well, you can't teach that, can you? What we're doing now is we're taking this cover off so we can get access to. This is where the oil filter is.
Okay.
So while that's draining. Nice. Someone's looked after this car.
What were those pipes
you come on this side.
That were...
Obviously this is the E46. It's a 2 litre petrol, but they're kind of detuned. It's a 318, but it's a 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol.
Yeah.
You look here, these are the flexi lines for the braking system, and they're stainless steel braided hoses.
Very fancy, apparently.
Very, very fancy. And also we're going to be doing the lights as well at one point.
Yeah, we've got so much to do on this actually, haven't we? So.
We'll be bringing Bert back to life. Well,
Yeah.
you know, he wasn't not in bad nick actually, so. That's just. Oh, I'll tell you what, I can't do a little plane. Ah. Oh, that's going to be a bugger. 25 Newton meters. Yeah, as one, get it off. This is the housing to the oil filter, and it's really tight. So what I've done is I put a G lead clip round, and I tapped it, and it came off. It loosened it without a special tool.
special tool that you've made.
Yeah. There we go. You can't teach that, folks.
No.
We don't want to make any mess, do we?
No.
And that should come out the bottom now as well.
Put it straight into that.
Ah, okay. Ah, right, I see, yeah. So this is the old one.
Yeah.
Look in, doesn't look too bad. Now there are some O-rings in here to change. There's one here, I think. Yeah. And there's one at the bottom and the two there, see?
Mm-hmm.
One O-ring there, one O-ring there.
Oh, you look quite cool in there.
Yeah. Oh, sweaty work. It's not even hot yet, I just sweat when I do mechanicking. I'll just check it's the right one. Yep. That's good, leave that there. And here are the 3 O-rings. We've got 3 O-rings to change on the oil filter. So the first one is this one here. So carefully take it off, throw that one away so you know which one's which. If you change them one at a time, you don't kind of get a...
Mixed up.
That's the one. Bit of lube on it. Keep it dry. And that will go into that space there. He says. Make sure it's all in. So, a bit of lube there. All in nice and tight. Right. The next one is this one. Here. So they all look pretty good actually. Not perished or anything. So that's that one there. So again, get a bit of oil. Push this one on. Be careful when you use a screwdriver. I know you can buy special tools with like a little hook on them.
Alright.
Which you will. Put it all down. Make sure it's all down properly, all lubricated. And last but not least, that can come off. It's right size, yep. So these look like they've been done fairly recently. Oh yeah, they should have a year or so, shouldn't they?
Yeah.
Let me put the last one on, and that's it. It's 1, 2, 3. Which way it goes, is it? That's the new oil filter. Goes on there. Presses in. That's it. You put it in. Let me do it up. That's the oil rings are nice and snug. It's only, it says 25 Newton meters, which is about that. And that's it, that's the oil filter done.
Cool.
So, let me just clean that, which is lovely. Yeah, all looks good there. Splendid. Got 2 nuts. And it's up there. Nice and tight. So, you don't want to lose that. Right, that should all be drained out now, so we're going to go underneath. Yeah, it's nice and tight. Yeah, definitely needed.
Bit murky.
Yeah. Thank you, Trevor, for buying this as a present.
Yeah.
Obviously, I'm going to dispose it down a local dump, but I'm using this to pour it into, which is, that's 5 litres. But we'll do that in a minute.
Okay.
Yeah. Might have to pour it in.
Oh, is it not fit properly?
No, there's a thing on top of it if you look in there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a bit of a shame. I bought a special oil funnel.
So this is 5 litres. And we want 4.5, so we want to finish about just there.
If I hold it, it doesn't matter if I end up getting covered in oil, does it?
You have to put your sub in there, sweetie. It's quite thin oil, doesn't it? Lovely, clean, fresh oil. No leaks. That's good. We want about half a litre left. Oh, light's gone straight out.
It's starting to pick up a little bit now.
It sounds.
Sounds lovely.
Wait for the oil to get round. And Bert is going, thank you. Thank you for changing my oil and filter. Doing the air filter tomorrow when it turns up. Sounds good.
Does sound good, yeah.
Yeah, Bert. We look after Bert, Bert looks after us.
Yeah.
That sounds sweet.
Does sound sweet, actually.
He's purring.
Quite
Whiskey, don't count
sweet little chap, yeah.
it.
Cool.